To get started with the Aqua-L series, you simply have to turn on the device by pressing the button on the top left corner. Within seconds, you're up and running. Got 4 different options to select from: indoor, outdoor, about, and settings. We'll get started with the settings so I can quickly run by the different settings you've got available. You've got date, time, language, setting up different frequencies, got wireless transmission if you want to broadcast onto a computer, and of course your brightness. The about settings tell you the model type, the battery charge, the different version for the software that's available, and of course our details. Now to get started, the first thing you'd have to do is plug in one of the sensors. In this case, I'm going to plug in the indoor floor sensor. It's very simple. It's plug in and twist to lock it in place. Click the indoor setting. You've got general detection. You press the unmute button. You can go volume down and volume up by simply twisting this knob. And if you've got your headphones on, you can also hear any of the noise that is being picked up by the sensor through the device. By selecting this button here on the left, you can either block out the frequencies or resume picking up sound. By twisting the top left button, you can reduce the amount of frequencies you're picking up into a lower range, or increase to pick up all different sounds and frequencies available. You'll have to place the floor sensor on the floor, and now you have to imagine that the floor you're trying to locate the leaking pipe under is a grid, and you start from left to right, up, down, whichever you proceed. You just have to ensure that you move along accordingly. We're back at the home page. If you click indoor and click locating this time, this is where you can start recording the sound that is being picked up by the floor sensor. Whether it's the floor sensor, the wall sensor, or the outdoor floor sensor, they simply plug into the top and off you go. Click on one of the squares here on the left and it starts to record your sound or the noise that is being picked up on the floor. What you must do is wait until the bars stabilize and then press to freeze and save that point. You move on to the next point. And again, press to save the point. And you move on and you go along until you've made all the recordings necessary to help with your findings. You can press the export button to export onto a SD card, or ultimately you can plug it into a computer using the USB port there. We're moving on to our outdoor settings. In this case, we'd have our outdoor sensor plugged in, and then you'd select the following settings. For soil texture, you've got soft and hard. Soft ranging from grassy areas or just simple exposed soil. Hard being concrete, outdoor, hard flooring, including wood flooring, indoors and outdoors. Pipe material, if you know it, you can select it. Otherwise, if you don't know what the pipes are made of, then you can just click unknown. Let's move on to general detection. Same as with the indoor function, click this button at the top right corner to unmute, and it starts picking up noise from your sensor. Again, the left button here adjusts the frequency you're able to pick up and the filtration you're able to activate, and the right here, the volume that is being output through the headphones. You can also select and change the range of the frequency you're able to pick up. So you can go really low between 20 and 41 Hertz, all the way up to 5000 Hertz. Going back into outdoor, same as the indoor function, with your sensor plugged in, as you move along the substrate from area to area, looking for sounds in the ground and trying to locate the pipes, you would simply click on one of the points that you're trying to detect. Once you're happy and the bars stabilize, you click that button once more onto the box and it saves that point. You move on to the second bar and again click to save the point. On the third one once again, and so on. Ultimately, the highest sounding bars visually and in your headphones, which you don't always have to have plugged in, would be the point where the broken pipe is. Thank you for being with us today. Hope I was able to assist with the Aqua-L series and explore the different features and benefits to help you find your next leak.